Did you know that conversation AI can ask better questions to your customers based on their replies? Conversations don't have to go one specific way with conversation AI. That's the beauty of it. It's not a workflow. It's an intelligent conversation that leads the contact to the right place based on the conversation. So if a contact isn't ready to book, the AI agent doesn't have to force them to book. If they want more information, it can send them the website. All of this works into our prompts with our conversation AI agents. And today I'm going to show you how you can set this up with GoHighLevel. Let's say you have a conversation AI appointment booking bot. And whenever a customer asks for an appointment, yes, it's going to book an appointment with them. But what if they're asking questions and don't want to go to an appointment? What if they want more information? What if they want to talk to a team member? All of these custom scenarios we can have taken care of by AI if we include them inside of our prompt. So instead of just having our goal set as your goal is to get the customer to book an appointment, we can set up something like this. So inside of our conversation AI goals, we can set up our custom workflow that we want our conversation AI to be able to use in order to handle all sorts of conversations. So instead of just get a customer to book an appointment, we want to account for scenarios like if a prospect asks about services, it then learns what they're interested in, like a specific offering. It can then ask targeted qualification questions, and we can include a list of what those questions can be, what their budget is, what their timeline is, and things like that. And it can ask them in the right order. And then it can book an appointment if they're actually interested. We can also set up this flow for if they're not interested in an appointment, then it learns about what they're interested in. And instead of booking an appointment, we can send them our website link for them to learn more. The best way to set this up within GoHighLevel is to include multiple paths that your conversation AI will go down with the customers. And if it can't figure out what path is best for the customer, that's the beauty about AI. It can figure it out even without the prompting. The truth is that not every lead needs the same questions. And the way that you can set this up properly is by including things like I just showed you in the prompt, including tags from your customers and giving your AI as much information about your contact as possible. So that way it knows all of their contacts so it can ask the right questions for them. That way, if it's someone that, let's say, has already booked an appointment, it doesn't ask them to book an appointment again. Again, that's the beauty of GoHighLevel conversation AI. Now, if you have any questions about how to set up better conversation AI agents, we have a full blog going over this linked below. As always, I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions about this, just drop them in the comments or check out the blog. My name is Andrew, and I'll see you in the next one.